Have y'all ever wondered how living things interact with each other?
Well, there's a group of scientists that study ecology.
Oh, I know. Ecology is the study of living things interacting with each other and their physical environment. I also know that ecology is organized into 4 main levels. They are
organism,
population,
community,
ecosystem. An organism is a living thing made up of one or more cells that carries out all the basic life functions. If it is made up of one cell, it is considered unicellular. If it is made up of more than one cell, it is considered multicellular. There are 5 basic life functions that organisms must carry out. They must grow and develop, use energy, reproduce, get rid of waste, and respond to the environment. There are thousands of different kinds of organisms in the world. An organism can be an animal, like a coyote, deer, or bird. It can be a plant, like grass or bush or tree. It can be mold. It can even be something as small as a protozoa or bacteria, which can only be seen at the microscopic level. It doesn't matter what shape or size an organism is, as long as it carries out the 5 basic life functions.
A population is a group of individuals of a given species that live in a specific geographic area at a given time. Some examples of populations include deer, dogs, birds, populations of trees, just to name a few.
A community is a group of populations living and interacting with each other in the same area. An ecological community is always in flux because of competition between different species. They compete for the finite amount of resources in their area that they are inhabiting. Now remember, competition happens within all kingdoms of life, not just between animals. Due to the competitive exclusion principle, if 2 species are fighting for the same resources, usually the inferior species over time become extinct in that area, or they simply move on to inhabit a different area. Luckily, not all resources are limiting, like the air being used for breathing, and most species can adapt to an environment so that many species can live together in harmony within the community that they live in.
An ecosystem is a community of abiotic and biotic factors interacting in their environment. Abiotic factors are non-living things such as water, rocks, or energy. Biotic factors are living organisms such as plants, animals, and decomposers. Energy is received through sunlight, and the process of photosynthesis occurs to keep the balance in an ecosystem working. 2 common ecosystems in Texas are a pond or lake ecosystem and a prairie ecosystem. Some ecosystems not pictured above include the forest, Gulf Shore, and desert. What sort of things are threatening ecosystems today? Human-caused destruction to forest ecosystems is a major problem. One clearing of a section of forest can have a ripple effect on organisms inside that ecosystem. Natural or human-caused pollution can have a harmful effect in many aquatic ecosystems. Polluted water can cause a lack of oxygen and fish will continue to die off. In an ecosystem, especially Gulf Shore, we see overharvesting. That can be a serious threat to population, which can also have a ripple effect for animals who rely on the ones being harvested.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned for the following questions.